Hi, it's me, Takara. Today I'm going to be changing that plug, this plug, a broken plug with a new end. So let's get started. First step, use the pause. To be excited, you know I'm wearing gloves to hide the world from my mechanic hands. So first thing is cut the plug off. Second, trim the sheathing off about a quarter inch, 3/4 inch. So be careful not to cut all the way through and into the wires underneath. Don't want to cut off too much because you don't want to see these wires sticking out the back of the plug because that kind of looks ugly. Now you will have a black, a white, and a green in North America. And the green is ground, white is neutral, black is hot. Theoretically, if you bought the appliance from eBay, they might have just used whatever wire. So this only works if you bought it locally at a store that went through all of the inspection processes. Side note, so let's say you did buy something off eBay from China, or the plug is on something you really don't want to screw up. Get yourself a continuity tester. Basically a light bulb that when the tip connects the plug, light bulb lights up. So you just put the little clamp on a wire, and whatever pin that wire is connected to will light up when you touch it. And then you just connect the new plug up to whatever wire is connected on the old plug. So you take the wire, trim some back. You could use wire strippers. You twist them together. Now, most jurisdictions allow homeowners to change plugs out. It's not something you need permits for. Take a new plug. Take it apart. Like so. Take new wires. Feed them to the back. Now the plug, you have a dark color screw, a green screw, and a light color screw. Green goes to green, white goes to white, or white goes to light color, and the black goes to the darker color. So, kind of get it in behind our plate. Yep. Dark color and the dark color screw. And light color and the light color screw. We got something like this. Now you just slide the end over top, making sure the little key is in the keyway there. Make sure. Oops. And tighten up the screws. I like these screws, they go in easy or fast. And do up the strain relief bunch. Everything good has strain relief on it. Then you're done. Just like that. Now, a lamp cord is the exact same way, except for it just has 2 wires. One side will be rough, one side will be smooth. The rough wire side goes to the wide pin, and the smooth wire side goes to the small pin. And that's all for now. So, bye.